how to sort YouTube search results by views in 2022. This is what we're going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, this really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. First of all, you are going to go on the Google. Because YouTube is a Google application, then you have to go on the YouTube first. Now you have to search for whatever you want to like. Let's say I am going to go for YouTube NFT trades. I am going for the NFT trades. Now I will see few results over here. Now I have to click on these three lines that are located up above and then go to filters option. Now over here an option of sort by. Now in order to change the sort by, I have to go on view count, so I can sort by view, and then I have to hit apply option. As I hit apply option, now it will sort all the results by the view count. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section. Also don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.